Listen to the sound of the old factory.
It sounds like a big space robot.
Whoa! Space robots!
Okay, everyone. We're nearly out of the park and we're going to be joining the other traffic, okay?
We're ready, Dad. It's time to get on the intergalactic superhighway.
Yes!
Just, don't forget to check for traffic and signal, Mr. S.
Of course, Triggs. Here we go.
Woof, woof.
Blast off in 3, 2, 1. Cruising like a comet on the superhighway, shooting like a rocket, a galaxy far away. Here we go into the great unknown. Where will the adventure take us? No one knows. Flying through deep space and sailing through the cosmos. Aliens point the way. Automatic robots on our own. A journey so far from home. Daring like a bright laser beam. Here we go. Here we go. La 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 la.
These are the adventures of Maddie and Triggs. Oh, and Daddy as well. Don't forget about Daddy. Intergalactic explorers. Flying through space. Exploring new frontiers. And side ears, and noses, and doggy paws, and oh look, a doggy bikini. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo.
Whee! Mission Control, we have landed safely at school.